out on the road. Forgot to do the gear check video that I wanted to, the intro. Headed to Zion. Packed to the gills. And on the way to Zion, had to stop by Matt's Off-Road Recovery. Just because, you know, why not? When in Dodge, you stop by, right? Anyway, on to the next stop. There's Fab Rat's flag up on the hill. Cruising through up to Duck Creek, figure had to stop. Cool as fuck. Paul from Fab Rats, go check out their channel. Tiny little town. Got a motel, cafe, little motel, general store. Got a Sinclair with a porta potty. Sunset Point, Bryce Canyon. Nice tree right in the way.
So wohnt ja nicht weit weg. Der braucht nicht gucken. Bei mir ist ja nichts zu machen. Warum soll der nur zum Blumen? Ich sage, Anita, willst du mehr gießen? Sagt sie, mach ich. Ich brauche ja nur einmal die Woche. Ja.
Habe ich auch kein Problem. Und die paar Blüten, die ich stehen habe auf der Terrasse.
Good morning. So, just before sunrise. Camp, I don't know, 6 a.m. All is quiet except for a couple woodpeckers and chirping squirrels. Need to get the morning campfire going and get some caffeine going. I'm the old school type. I boil my water and cook almost all my food on the freaking campfire. I will never be the one that pays all the amounts of money for jet boil when you can boil water perfectly fine in one of those right there. And as far as cooking food, a scuttle, all that crap, no. Everything's on the campfire, just like we used to do it. Campfire breakfast going. Cherry wood smoked bacon, some queso sausages, and always over open fire. No scuttle bullshit here. Queso sausage, cherry wood smoked bacon, scrambled egg, and a sunny egg. Little Nashville hot aioli drills across the top. So I gotta be different. Well, clouds have rolled in. Having no direct sun. Got the Renogy panel still sitting there. And this view, still getting 8 watts. Just gonna leave it there. Cedar Breaks National Monument. During a little rain shower.
una arenas blancas, Quaisen se llama. Ahí está una base militar y dejan entrar a la gente picnic y todo y llegan.
Look at my, can't get any closer than this, it's kind of scary. Look at that. Can you believe that?
Been coming up here 25 years and I've never come in here before.
Not going to do that twice. And then backtrack to here. And then backtrack.
Get your camera, baby.
See how much we can get away with.
Take a picture of these specs first, and then I'm gonna flip them. With your phone though after.
Well, I forgot a video walking in to Cedar Breaks. So you get in one walking out, then I'll just turn around and walk backwards out. How about that? Of course, the visitor center is closed for construction.
Get these on there.
Each one? So why do we even pay anything for it? That was a $20 in
accept it, just so that you know.
Yeah.
For future reference.
This is my entrance video. Since I didn't record going in.